Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have taken this jumpsuit and made it into a skater dress. I really like the pattern on the jumpsuit, but I didn't like the fit of it, so I decided to make it into a dress instead. This was really easy to do and would be perfect as a beginner project. So let's get into it. First, I turned the jumpsuit inside out and laid it out flat. Then, using a seam ripper, I removed the inside leg seams all the way up to the crotch. If you don't have a seam ripper, scissors are fine. I just wanted to keep as much fabric as possible. Once I'd done that, I also removed the hem stitches as I'll be creating a new hem later. This is how it looked so far. With the jumpsuit still inside out, I turned it over so the side seam was now facing up. Next, I needed to make new front and back seams. Making sure everything was laying flat and even, I drew a slight curved line on each side and pinned along these lines to hold everything in place. I then continued to pin all the way down each side. Once everything was pinned in place, I sewed where I'd pinned. I then cut off the excess fabric. Next, I wanted to make the dress a bit shorter. While trying the dress on, I measured from the waistline how long I wanted the dress to be. I decided on 17 inches, but added an inch to this for seam allowance, so my measurement was 18 inches. With the dress inside out and with the front seam facing up, I made sure everything was laying flat. I then measured and marked 18 inches down from the waistband in multiple places. I then connected these points with a slight curved line. Once I'd drawn the line, I pinned 2 layers of the dress together in a few different places. I then cut along the line. This will keep the layers in place and make sure both sides are the same length when cut. I kept the bottom part of the dress I cut off. I'm sure I'll be using this in a future project. I then folded the bottom edge up about ½ an inch and pinned this in place. I did this all the way around the bottom of the dress. Once everything was pinned in place, I sewed where I'd pinned. This will become the new hem. Once I'd sewn the hem, the dress was complete and this is how it looked. This was really quick to make and would be great to wear all year, by itself in the summer, or paired with a black long sleeve top and tights for the winter. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.